At first glance, this might look complicated, but this is one of the most trusted tools in aviation. This is called an E6B flight computer. In this video, we're going to walk step by step through what it is, what it does, and how to start using it. The E6B is a mechanical flight computer. That means it doesn't use batteries or electronics. Instead, it uses rotating scales to solve problems visually. Pilots use it to calculate things like time, speed, distance, fuel usage, and even how wind affects their flight. This tool has been used for decades because it's reliable and helps you understand the math behind the calculation, not just the answer. The E6B has two main sides. The front side is called the circular slide rule. This is where you perform most calculations like time, speed, distance, and fuel. The back side is called the wind side. This is used to determine how wind changes your direction and speed during flight. Let's look at the main parts of the circular side. The outer ring stays fixed in place, the inner wheel rotates, and the most important reference point is the number 60, called the rate arrow. This represents 60 minutes, or 1 hour. When you align a value with 60, you are setting a rate, like miles per hour or gallons per hour. The E6B works by creating relationships between numbers. When you line up two numbers, you're setting a ratio. Once that ratio is set, you can read other values across the scale. This allows you to solve multiplication and division problems visually, without writing anything down. One important thing to understand is that the numbers on the E6B are scaled. For example, 10 might represent 10, or 100, or even 1,000 depending on the problem. So after reading an answer, always ask yourself, does this make sense for the situation? That final step is what makes using the E6B accurate and effective.